video, Friday. Just going to be showing you how I would back test. Yeah, just continuing from last video over here. We thought I'd just get on, just do another one, and yeah. So looking at the weekly. Well, first and foremost, actually, it is a Tuesday. So I'm going to come onto here. Tuesday the 13th of Feb. And we have 8:30 news, CPI. So we come back onto the chart. You can see 8:30 news here. Can mark up both of those. We go onto the weekly time frame. We was looking for a bullish week. Now we have made high of the week on Monday. See if we got. We probably don't have SMT on that high. But yeah, coming into the week, I was going to be bullish, continuing this CSD, bullish. Now technically the weekly objective has been met with previous week high. So Monday we didn't get a CSD, but Tuesday looks like we will get a CSD. And we've got a volume imbalance down here. And we've got this order block, this gap. So yeah, ideally we was bullish. Also haven't filled this part of the Fair Value gap. We was bullish on the week, but I feel like the weekly objective has been met. So we're likely to close off into the range now. We may not though. Could be a very long London New York reversal, sorry. But yeah, this would be a harder day to read. If we'd have got Monday CSD, then we could expect continuation. So this will either be a day we don't trade and we'll trade Wednesday to confirm if that's our week or not. But we'll see. So yeah, looking on the 4-hour time frame, it's kind of just similar of this daily. We've got a massive gap up here for this order block, but does look like we are going short. We look into London high. Well, London high's here. And we got London high into this 4-hour gap, as you can see. And then it looks like 8:30 would have made, it looks like we came into IRL, sorry, coming into here. So we should seek ERL targets now for a classic London protraction. Do we have SMT on London high? Doesn't look like we've got SMT on London high. Yeah. What about on the 5? Yeah, so no SMT on London high. The minute won't really tell us too much. Yeah, no SMT on London high. So this could be a false high, but we'd need the CSD on the daily to confirm that. So yeah, 8:30's coming to IRL here. And a bit more clean on the 2 hour. So I would be looking for timed ERL targets now. We put this. Put this here. See what ERL targets we do have, which I believe we've just taken that. Yeah, we have. Closest untapped timed ERL be Friday's low here. However, this very much could be a 9:30 reversal from ERL to IRL, but yeah, it looks like we've already taken a timed ERL. We've got the 1 hour. We've got timed ERL down here as well. So we'll see if we want to expand down there, but current order flow is bearish. We've got this massive gap obviously up here that we could see traded to. Nothing on the hourly as of yet, but yeah, we could see that traded to or treated as a breakaway gap. So we just want to see what these first 15 minutes do, to really see what bias we will be getting. So there we go, first 15 minutes printed. We've got this first presentation for value gap prospecting 50%. So if we look, if we have SMT on this low, which we do, okay, perfect. So we've got SMT on this low, so that will now be aligned with daily bias. Looking for a new reversal continuing the daily, even though we had a big drop. We'd be looking to continue the daily bias because we've got no confirmation yet. We also had no S&T on high of day, so now the targets would be London high, and current high of session. Now this low should now be protected. What we were saying were this low is now protected coming into timed ERL. Let's also check the 4 hour coming into this imbalance right here, volume imbalance. Let's actually just put it onto days now. So yeah, this low of day should now be protected. It should be a 9:30 reversal to continue with the daily bias. The two targets will be London high and current session high. We'll mark out any speed bumps in price that we may have. We've got this massive 15 min fair value gap, which is not an hourly yet, which that's our main resistance. But yeah, we'll put our stop like a tick below protected low, and we'll place our limit. Well, we'll just go long now because we're already inside the first presented, so we can save that. That's actually a limit order. We don't want a limit order, we just want market. Stop loss, take profit. Let's click on it. Market, we'll just risk 1%, and we should be good. So yeah, let's also look 5 minute order flow. Kind of be looking for maybe this price level to push price higher, and if we can get a close above this, that would be even nicer. I know there's a lot of lines. Let me actually make that a lot better. You can delete this line, focus on 5 minute CSD. potential 5-minute IB. So yeah, we just want to see it closed above. And yeah, let's, don't want it that far away. Let's see what price wants to do. Obviously got macro coming up soon as well. So we close the 5-minute candle in the next minute to confirm that order block. As you can see, that is now confirmed. As you can see, 5-minute CSD held price. Let's see if we traded into 50%, respected it. Yeah, you go, trade into 50% and respected it. So if we now go on to the 1-minute time frame, we'd now be having a draw on time, so a new high post 10 a.m. So tapping into the 5-minute order block, no longer macro timings. Tap back into the original 5-minute CSD. The next macro is the 1050 macro. As you can see, running nicely here. 1050 macros here. We are running quite deep profits, so we can move our stop loss to this swing low. We could go break even, but yeah, I mean, we probably would go break even here, or maybe even into profits. So let's see. Out of macro again. This could very much be swing to Z. Unless we take it post 12. We have made quite a big range. Okay, so yeah, it was a swing to Z with London high of day and 9:30 low of day. So yeah, it was a swing to Z. We are running all this profit, so yeah, we could either just close. For the video's sake, we'll play it out. We'll move our stop to break even now. But yeah, swing to Z day, we did claim all that profit. But yeah, it's all good. So we'll trade this until 4:14. Then we'll close price out if we haven't hit break even already. And there's break even. Let's see what the rest of the chart does. And we then open a new day. So yeah, we did run quite nicely with we ran about 155 points. Unfortunately, it was swing to Z, where London makes high of day, New York makes low of day, and we just kind of chop inside the range. If we do actually mark out, which could have been another target, we mark out this dealing range. You can see we come into equilibrium or discount. If we mark out the whole dealing range from London to low of day, that's technically our range, and we come up into 50%. So we could have closed when we got to here. But yeah, that was technically not a trade, but it was pretty nice. Swing to Z, but still made about 150 points. And yeah, I'll end that video there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, and peace.